guys, doing a mukbang. Noodles, chicken flavored, yellow. Of course they're gonna be yellow. Yep. They're supposed to be yellow. They're not supposed to be white. Let's eat. They can't really see me. My hair is crazy. Don't mind my hair, you guys.
You got me slurping on the noodles like that.
I mean, they're good. Oh yeah, you guys, we're watching Zach Choi ASMR. So, shout out to him. And please,
Shout out. What the hell? What do you know about a shout out? I'm sorry. That's the stuff of I'm doing. Shout out to this person. Shout out to that person. I'll be cracking up.
Mama, I'm famous. I'm famous.
Listen, I don't know. I know if I still wash your clothes, you ain't famous.
Mama, no.
What?
Don't tell him that.
If I'm still washing your clothes, you are not famous.
I'll wash mine.
And you would have billions of dollars if it was famous.
You too, Janai.
This is my first time doing a shout out.
Y'all Noodle Mukbang?
Yeah. This is my first time doing a shout out.
That's so funny. That's y'all Noodle Mukbang. I'm sure it makes sense. Come on, is that your Noodle Mukbang? Well, y'all think y'all YouTube famous.
Wait. I have a couple of videos. I don't do shout outs that much.
Hey. I know it's funny when I be seeing y'all flopping around on y'all YouTube videos.
I got a new account. I don't really get like to have 0 thumbs up and 0
Let
subscribers.
Devon tell him he got a lot of subscribers. Don't you mind?
Yeah.
His friends subscribe to him and like his videos.
No. Random people do.
I don't get how they like them. All you got on there is TikToks and videos and stuff like that. And
What,
then all you do is telling lame jokes.
How about you be on there telling dad jokes?
TikTok dances. Funny stuff.
TikTok jokes.
Mostly Corvette.
But yeah, we're watching YouTube. But we're about to watch somebody that a lot of people do not like, but she does have a lot of subscribers.
Rebecca Tomo.
Well, I thought you liked that girl Sniper was.
Hamia says she's racist.
I don't know.
I like
I know
her.
she hella loud on her videos. And her voice is annoying and so loud.
Hakeem is like famous.
Oh, Hakeem, your brother?
Yes,
Rebecca
Hakeem
Zamora.
is famous. He makes live videos.
Live videos for what?
His
Huh?
Fortnite and stuff. I don't know.
Apex, Street Fighter, Goku. This still got juice in it. I don't like the juice. But I'ma just drink it for y'all.
I still have a little bit of juice left.
Oh, this is nasty.
What?
Juice.
Noodles is
is
busting. They always busting.
Plus,
They been busting.
but I'm just next time I'm not drinking the juice because the juice is nasty to me. Probably not to her, but to me.
I think it's because it blends in with the noodles and it's good. A little bit. It's just seasoning in water. It's like drinking juice, and then you get thirstier, and then you just drink the rest.
I'm back in the bar. Hold on. I forgot to drink it all. Hold on.
So, I don't know what we're gonna do, but yeah, so I have no clue. How do you do that?
Okay.
We might go to Spinaches. I mean, we might go to, what is it called?
Wait, why do I have 2 spoons?
Because you had got one again.
Well, I didn't know I had one. Alright, guys. That's the end of the video. Peace out. Shout out to Jania's, her TikTok and my TikTok, Bondigo XXD, Janaya Creighton.
255 is my old account, but I lost my phone. And then shout out to my new one, our new one. We just haven't did no videos yet.
Yeah.
But yeah.
Bondigo XXD.
Shout out to my old YouTube channel. Look up Janaya Creighton. And then you'll see me doing my hair and stuff. I have a lot of hair videos and stuff like that.
Peace out, guys. See you in the next video. Peace.